Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. At this video, we will explain the benefits of Android application for an independent learning in English language based on the journal by Faiz Usbah Mubarak and Atika Nurul Asri. Before that, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Sofia Anggita Rizwa with student ID 20030500072 and
I'm Cynthia with student ID 20030500071. Okay, let's start. The first explanatory is Sophia.
Here's the outlining of our presentation. We have two main topics. First, Android application, and the second, independent learning. We have some subtopic in the main topic. Okay, let's restart it. Abstract. Nowadays, the world has suffered caused by COVID-19. Everything has changed because of the pandemic, including in education system. Due to the pandemic condition, education relies more on technology usage. Technology presents us with plentiful advantage and features in the teaching and learning, specifically in smartphone. Android nowadays offers numerous applications of language learning in the Play Store. This article shows the benefits of Android application, namely Duolingo, Busuu, Rosetta Stone, and Memrise. In learning English language, these apps enhance the user for language skill mastery, namely listening, writing, reading, and writing skill, using games, riddles, and other various ways. By learning language independently, students may also enhance their cognitive, metacognitive, and affective skill. It creates the good atmosphere for learnings that its learners to gain their goals in fun and enjoyable ways. Furthermore, it is also beneficial for students in terms of boosting student motivation and confidence, practicing, entertaining, and sustainability. Introduction. Using a method such as employing technology in language learning may boost the students' enthusiasm and motivation to meet the requirements of English as communicative purpose since the current condition of COVID-19. Educators have to adjust the way in learning English. The impact of the pandemic shifts us to spend more time on the screen. De Pietro et al. In 2020 states that online learning appears to create conflict on four major problems, namely, first, less time spent in learning, second, stress symptoms, third, a change in the way students interact, and the last, lack of learning motivation. But we still don't have a suitable application. Proper material and exercise based on the technology are not comprehensively practical and useful in learning English. Nowadays, we may come up with our close functional gadget, a smartphone. Concerning smartphone, there are several educational applications for students to learn a new language and improving their skill. Currently, the most downloaded applications in the Google Play Store are Duolingo, Memrise, Busuu, and Rosetta Stone. Learners to enhance their enthusiasm for language combine independent learning and the Android application to learn the language. The student can get beneficial knowledge and elevate their skill enjoyable and comprehensibly. Android application. A. What is Android? An Android application, as stated by Velker in 2011, Android operating system or OS is a Linux-based kernel platform under the name of Android Inc. related to the Android application. Built in 2010 stated that Android is a mobile software application developed for use on devices powered by Google's Android platform. They are available in the Google Play Store, in the Amazon App Store, and on various Android app-focused sites, and the apps can run on Android smartphone, tablets, and other devices. B. Learning English through Android application. First, Duolingo. Duolingo presents all-in-one language learning by offering the first skill of language. The class categorization are basic, intermediate, and advanced. Each group will be given different treatment according to their own capability in learning English. The tasks present in the app deal with speaking, listening, and reading. Additionally, students could also learn language with their friends and compete with them in order to get the best rank in the world. In this case, it might motivate students to learn more and be disciplined in learning a language besides English. Duolingo also provides 20 other languages, including Italian, Spanish, and Dutch for free. Second, Busuu. Based in London, UK, the Busuu application presents 12 major languages all over the world. Each language deals with full course, including 150 different units of training. Similar to Duolingo, it also sets a placement test for the first time the user plays the app. In addition, Busuu also provides grammar error tasks, phrases, vocabulary, and idioms present in that particular language. The training was offered in the form of games and enjoyable tasks.
Number 3. Memrise. Different from others, Memrise provides hundreds of interactive language games in the form of puzzle, riddles, and defeating enemies to get the score. The developer of application offer a communicative approach in using games as a trainer to enhance our English mastery. Memrise also presents 30,000 native speaker videos and a pronunciation guide to train our speaking and listening skills. Number 4. Rosetta Stone. Started in 1999, Rosetta Stone is based on a computer program in Windows and iOS. In 2015, it launched mobile application based on synchronization in PC. In addition, it also offers how to start conversation with 24 languages worldwide. This application has an audio companion to learn offline and through accent technology, a copyright technology in learning various accents. Okay, next, the benefits of Android application in English language learning. Number 1. Increasing motivation and confidence. By using the application, it can boost the students' motivation and confidence. It refers to their intrinsic motivation in learning using Androids. Students study what they like and what they feel comfortable with. Besides, the students can be more motivated because it provides with the games and puzzle. Number 2. Easy and simple. Learning English towards the application is also easy and simple. It does not need any sophisticated stage and sequence in learning. Besides, the students are already familiar with and enjoy with the operational system of Androids, since it is already their day-to-day habits in daily life circumstances. Number 3. Practical and entertaining. Using the application is practical for the learners since it gives them plenty of experiences in learning through technology and the Android application system. Additionally, it is entertaining because it gives students games and enjoyable materials for us to learn the language. For instance, in writing section, provide us a game that encourages us to finish it by completing the blank gaps. And the last, number 4, sustainability. Here, application does not only benefit people, it has also been shown to benefit the earth. It is much more sustainable than traditional or conventional learning. Completing numerous training or exercise on a mobile application does not require any new materials. Number 3. Independent learning. According to Meyer et al., independent learning has some major characteristics, namely 1. Set their students' own goals. In this case, the learner determine their objective to meet based on their needs. Number 2. Plan how to realize these goals. The pupils plan on how the objectives are successful and permanent on their learning. It also deals with the progress and terms and conditions on how they achieve goals in their achievement. Number 3. Monitor their progress as they follow this plan, which will entail controlling their behavior, motivation, and cognition, and might also involve adapting and changing their plan. Number 4. The learners should be consistent and stable in learning the course by monitoring their own progress and following the plans. Number 5. Assess and reflect on what they have achieved, which will hopefully include making links with their prior knowledge. They may assess and reflect on their learning on how far they learn the subject. The reflection is based on the criteria of success that they want to accomplish in learning. Okay, next, definition of independent learning. Independent learning was defined by Kendi as a combination of progress, technique, and a philosophy of education, when the pupil obtain knowledge by their efforts and advance for a critical evaluation. It also demands the students to organize their individual needs and success in the learning process. Next, skills involved in independent learning. The first skills deals with the learner's external factors and circumstances, which involves the physical environment and how the relationship between the pupils and teacher. Okay, on the last 4, conclusion. Learning English using Android application to facilitate independent learning can help students to discover and record their ability in learning the language. Duolingo, Memrise, Rosetta Stone, and Wusu application could be optimized based on the user choice. In this case, learners could choose what to learn and what to enhance their least mastery language skills: reading, listening, writing, and speaking, or language components. Students may also enable their cognitive, metacognitive, and affective skills in independent learning. Thus, it aids learners to gain their goals in fun and enjoyable ways. It also beneficial in terms of improving students' motivation and confidence. Easy and simple, practical and entertaining, and sustainability. It is also well applied in use and valuable to improve their mastery of English skills comprehensively and effectively. Okay, I think that's all of our presentation. Apologize if we have some mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.